Hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Hi, Jeremiah K. Hi, Anna.
Hi.
Okay, good. Now I can hear you. Hi, Jeremiah B.
Hey.
Hello. Okay, let me get a certain paper ready.
So do you know where I am already? Spelling. And subtract. Oh, that's your edges. Yes. Already. Already measured. I'm in that subtraction.
Okay, hold on a minute. Do you have your papers 261 and 262?
Yes. Yes.
Great. Okay, hold on a minute. You need to remember that there's no calling out, just like in school, no calling out. If you have a question, raise your hand. If you have a comment, raise your hand. Okay, we're going to get right into this. I'm going to call out some combinations. These are long combinations. You have to really, really concentrate. Don't answer until I say equals. There are going to be 4 numbers. There are going to be 4 numbers. Okay, Anna? Anna?
Yeah.
I have to mute you out. Okay?
Okay.
But I want you to still answer. Okay? Okay, here we go. 4 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 equals. Very good, Jeremiah, okay? Okay, so these are, all right, Anna. Are you ready? Jeremiah B, you have to get these in your brain. Ready? 7 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3 equals
8.
Very good. Next one. 8 minus 4 plus 5 plus 2 equals 11. Very good. Next one. 10 minus 8 plus 6 plus 3 equals 11. Next one. 6 plus 3 plus 1 minus 5 equals 5. Very good. Next one. 4 plus 6. Sorry, I messed up. Let's start again. 4 plus 6 minus 2 plus 1 equals
9.
Yes, very good. Next one. 2 plus 8 plus 1 minus 8 equals
3.
3. Very good. Last one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 equals
1. 2.
2. All right, good job. All right, let's see here. Do you remember we talked about those symbols? What are those symbols called?
Greater than and less than.
That's right, greater than and less than. Now, we try to pretend that those are the birdie's beaks, right? And what do the birdie's beaks like to do?
Eat.
And what do they eat? a lot.
Right.
They always want to eat what is the biggest amount, okay? Okay, but we're going to pretend that the numbers are the food. So if there's 5 on one side and 8 on the other side, that's like 5 worms and 8 worms, right? The bird would rather have what? 8 worms. Okay, so the number that is the biggest, the most, the greatest, the number that is more, that is what way you want your symbol to eat that amount. Okay, you're going to start seeing the 12 family in your work papers, which means that we have to now start practicing the 13 family. So when they show up in our work papers, we will be prepared. Let me see here. Okay, so take out your, do you have this paper with you? Yep. All right, very good. So what we need to do, this is something new. Let me erase what I already have on the board and I'll be with you in just a sec. Okay, so what we see on this paper is a little bit different than what we're used to. We see 45 plus a missing number equals 68. All right, now we have to keep in mind that there's a ones place column and a tens place column. So what we have to figure out is what is this missing number that when we add it to 45, it equals 68. So it's like one of those combinations that we have seen before. 5 plus blank equals 8. 5 plus what number equals 8? What is it, Jeremiah K? 3. So we want to make sure that it's lined up real nice in that ones place column. Okay? Then we move on and do the same thing in the tens place. We used to see it like this. 4 plus a missing number equals 6. 4 plus what number equals 6? Anna, what number? Oh, 2. Right? 4 plus 2 equals 6. So that is what we're doing here. Sometimes it's the first number, sometimes it's the second number. Okay, Anna, I'm going to block you out because I can hear Matthew. Okay. So in the next one, 33 plus blank equals 47. Jeremiah B, can you tell us what the missing number there is? So you start in the ones place. Look at the ones place. 3 plus what equals 7? 10? No, you're not adding together 3 plus 7. It's 3 plus a missing number equals 7. See, the 7 is the answer part. You're missing an addend. What do you add with 3 to equal 7? 3 plus blank equals 7. Jeremiah K?
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Right, so a 4 needs to be written below the 3. Okay? Now we need to do the same in the ones place. Jeremiah B, it says 3 plus blank equals 4. So what is our missing number in the box? What are we adding with 33 to equal 47?
The 1 in the box.
But the completed number is what number in the box?
After you put the 1 in the box, what is the whole number?
What number did you just, a 1, 4, what number is that?
14.
Right, right. So 33 plus missing number 14 equals 47. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now let's look at the next one. Missing number plus 33 equals 89. Ones place, focus on the ones place. What number plus 3 equals 9? Zoe?
6.
That's right. So make sure when you put that number in the box, that is lining up with the ones place column. All right, and then Jeremiah K, what number plus 3 equals 8 in the 10th place?
5 plus 3 plus 8.
That's right. So what is the missing number in the box? What is the completed number that we wrote in the box for the missing number plus 33 equals 89? What's that? How do you read that number?
56.
Okay, Jeremiah K, I don't know what you're looking at, but pay attention, okay? Anna, I can't see you. You disappeared. Okay, did you get 56 for your answer?
Yes.
Okay, I want Anna to tell us how to do the next one. 34 plus a missing number equals 68.
4 plus 4 equals 8. And 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Very good. So you saw how she broke it down, worked in the ones column first, and then worked the same way for the tens place. So 34 plus 34 equals 68. What kind of combination is that? It's a double. Very good. Okay, Jeremiah B, I want you to do the last one for us.
Okay.
Missing number plus 29 equals 79.
Subtract. Subtract. 100? Subtract the 9 and the 9. What is 9 minus 9? 100. 9 minus 9 is 100.
Okay, what number, what do we need to add with 9 to equal 9? Nothing, right? It's already 9. So 0 plus 9, okay? And then, just like your sister was trying to help you with, remember how subtraction can help you with your addition facts. So if you look at this as 9 minus 9, that equals 0. Okay, so put a 0 in the ones place. Okay, now for the tens place, you can think of it two ways. What number plus 2, what do we have to add with 2 to equal 7? Or you can think of it this way, 7 minus 2 equals.
2 equals 9, but it's not 9.
No, because you're not adding those two. That doesn't say 2 plus 7. That says a missing number plus 2 equals 7. But remember, you can change that sign to a minus, the opposite, and think of the subtraction problem.
It's 5.
That's correct. So what is your missing number in the box? 50. That's right. Okay, good job. Okay. Number 2, circle the number that is greatest and underline the number that is least. Zoe, tell us what to do in the first set of numbers.
circle on 196, underline on 106.
Very good. Jeremiah K, tell us what to do in the next group.
Circle 100, 341, underline 148.
Underline 314, right? That's okay. You just said it wrong. All right, number 3. You are going to continue writing numbers from 101 to 160, and that is that all that you're going to do for that section, Anna?
Oh, no.
No. What does it tell you to do after you do that? After you put the numbers 101 to 160, what does it tell you to do?
Color the even number green.
Very good. What are the even numbers? What pattern do we see in the even numbers?
4680.
Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And Zoe, where do we find those patterns?
In the two. In the one place.
Yes, in the ones place. All right, and then turn over to the second side. There are the 12 family combinations. You're going to show those combinations with the check marks. Okay, so what would you do for 5 plus 7, Zoe? 5 plus 7.
You would on the where they put the 5, you would put 5 checks, and then on the 7 you would put 7 checks.
Very good. And 5 plus 7 equals 12. Good job. Okay, so the rest of the work on that page is review. You have some long combinations. Add the ones column first, then move on to the tens place. In number 3, you are going to make the symbol eat, the larger amount. Okay, so therefore you're putting in a greater than or a less than symbol. And then you have to read and figure out what number 4 is. Try to get that right answer for that. Okay? Do you have any questions, Zoe?
No. For this one, I don't understand it. For this. Just a different box.
Oh, with the colored boxes there?
Writing the number that is the other number.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Zoe, look, you see a 45, a box, and a 63. Which one of those numbers is bigger?
63.
So we want to make our symbol eat that one. It's like the birdie's beak. It wants to eat the bigger number, so it goes that way. If I put this in the box, that's saying that the 45 is bigger than the 63. Is that true? No. Okay? So that is how you do that section. Okay? No, sometimes it'll go the other way. It all depends on what side the bigger number is. Okay? Okay? All right. What's Jeremiah B? Do you have a problem with anything I can help you with?
I do. I messed up.
What did you mess up on?
He said that. I want to do that.
Which part? The filling in the numbers?
Yeah, but we forgot it from they do by 2, not 1.
Oh no. The part about the 2s is when you're coloring. What did it tell you to do? To color the even numbers green. That is going to show how you're gonna see columns of colored numbers. Those will be the numbers by twos. But when you fill out the chart, it's regular order counting. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. You're doing each of those numbers by ones. But when you color, only color the even numbers green. Okay?
This one just didn't have me with.
What did you mean with your pencil? You erase? Well, just do the best you can about fixing it, okay? Maybe you'll have to just color a little darker over the numbers that should be colored, and then that'll make the ones that you made a mistake with a little bit lighter. And maybe you can just jot a note.
I did it with my pencil.
Okay, that's fine. All right, I'm gonna let you go now, and we will meet again for spelling and writing at 12 o'clock. See you later.
Bye. Sorry, you're writing 12 o'clock.
Oh, no. Let me think that.